Introducing UDECX, Simple Outdoor Living. Rejuvenate your outdoor living space with an easy-to-install product that is modular, portable, and ultra-low maintenance. Now with UDECX, redefining your outdoor living space no longer needs to involve the costs and hassles of special planning, contractors, permits, or even cutting and drilling. UDECX is so simple it can be installed with just a few tools. There is no other patio decking system like it. Oh, and it's 100% made in the USA. In a single box, the UDECX starter kit comes with everything you need. The UDECX system is made up of 3 main parts: piers, pads, and cam locks. Also included is a hand tool that locks the system together. For added versatility and security, the starter kit also includes anchor spikes. To install the UDECX system, start by placing the piers into position. The unique design of the piers makes for easy assembly and provides the structural support for the rest of the system. Next, place each 40-inch square pad onto the piers. Finally, use the hand tool to secure each pad onto the pier with the cam locks. Since UDECX is a modular decking system, we made the following add-on accessories to be used in any combination. Shims and riser blocks allow your UDECX system to adapt to terrain that is not completely flat. For added safety and aesthetics, an aluminum railing is available in white or black. To ensure you can enjoy all the benefits of your new outdoor living space for a long time, we ship UDECX with a 15-year manufacturer's warranty. Homeowners to renters, backyard enthusiasts to tailgaters, anyone can enjoy the benefits of the easy-to-install and minimal maintenance do-it-yourself UDECX patio system. Are you ready to live outside the box? UDECX, Simple Outdoor Living.